Grinch. Same exact issues as the other one. The belts are off, the spinning arm and the hips, and actually the base is snapped or cracked, just like Joseph's. And the hat arm works, just like the other one did. But this is the shiny head one. I love this cat, he's amazing, but I can't stand that he pees on my Halloween shit. Although the belt was bad, that's not the only issue. The gear's not split, but this whole gear is missing the top teeth. See that? It's completely gone. So yeah, I have to find another gear like that. I might have an extra. I hope I do. That gear was yellowed and it broke in half as well. New gear in the spinning arm, but it's spinning really slow because I think there's too many teeth, so I have to make it a smaller motor shaft. But the hat arm pulley shaft got bent somehow. Look at this. Watch. Look at that. How did that happen? It's only getting worse and worse. It is the motor though. It's just I don't have a motor that's fast enough. That's the problem. These have a really high speed motor in them. Looks like this shot. But yeah, I parted out the mechanism for the hats off the Santa. That's why the arm works better now. It was partially that gear that was making it not work right, but it's just, I don't know. Right now I'm working on the base. I probably need another... I lost all my belts again. Well, okay. Here it is with a Jimmy 6-volt adapter. Oh shit. What the fuck? Yeah. I unplugged it. Here's a Techie Toy 6-volt 2-amp adapter. Versus a Jimmy 6-volt adapter, which causes a bunch of glitches. Okay. Seems like that boost from that Jimmy adapter helped the arm a bit. I don't know. So this is the one that has that big gear splitting on that big shaft. And I'm going to get the box from the storage unit, and this one's just going to sit in the box. I'm not going to use it. This is all it does now. I mean, the wire's just off for the hat arm, but it's just going to be in the box. Because I have another one. Weird thing that is that this is the same Techie Toys adapter I'm using on the Grinch, but this one moves so much faster. The Jimmy adapter would wreck this thing. Oh my god. This is snapped. Oh, maybe it is split. The gear. Yep. I was gonna say, it's impossible getting a screwdriver in there, but I see what I have to do. These screws are holding it on, so I have to unscrew that, then I can get to the screws. Here's the mechanism and a mini motor. Working now, though. Yeah, there's the piece that's broke. Well, just hope it doesn't get worse. On my fucking Grinch again. I swapped the motors with the Frosty, and that, you know, that was very fast. That's as fast as these motors can get. That thing was fast. It's still no faster, and at the same time the light wires broke, and now I'm trying to get it back through the fucking hand, which is almost impossible. The thing is, the wires are through the hand, but I can't find where the access wire is. I'm trying to pull it through, and I can't find the wire. I have no idea how I'm going to get this back through his hand. This is the worst thing ever invented. The worst thing. Hey everyone, it's the amazing Grinch. So if this thing doesn't move fast when it's put back together, then it's fucked. Here's the hats off to Santa with the Jimmy adapter. His arms don't work either. Look at those hips. See, it's just not gonna stop coming off. It's fucked up. It's just, I don't know what to do. So here's what I did. Wait. So, see, these wires are coming from the presents, and I had them heat shrinked here, and I was reconnecting them to, like, I was really originally going to connect them to the hip swinging motor, because I thought that would make the lights light up, but it slowed down the whole thing. I didn't, so, yeah. See, I was trying to heat shrink the wire here in this, and up to the arm. But it's not working. It just keeps pulling right off. Look, Ivan, this one's next. You see that little tear in there? That's why this one's flickers. It's basically already off. Honestly, why did they have to use this kind of wire? Just the whole idea of it is so dumb. Like, look at how fast it is now. Now it would probably work, and if it didn't, I'd be super pissed, but still, it couldn't have worked like that before. And honestly, I'm pretty sure this motor isn't much different from the other ones that were in it. I'm sure it's not. Because this motor that was in him is just as fast as that one was. I fucking knew it. I knew that piece was gonna fucking snap off when I tried to put it back in. I fucking knew it. Told you that motor's fucked. Like, the light wires on my Grinch is fucked. I have to send that Bailey now to get fixed. That was like $50. This was like $50. Everything I get is like fucking Funny shit. Thing is, this has enough movements to be converted into a snowflake spinning snowman. This could be like the spinning arm, the baby. The lifting could be the hat arm. The head movement could be the hips. That would be actually really interesting. This is why I know it's the motor. See? Oops. Yeah, that's better. the other motor's in it. The gear in the spinning arm was splitting, but when I held it at first, it didn't start buzzing, but I held it again, and then it just completely gave out now. Look at, see? This one's sound quality is good. That hat arm motor is dying though, so I might have to take the motor from the hats off to Santa.